Note 5A runs on Xiaomi's own MIUI 9, a neat launcher based on the latest Android Nougat version, 7.1.2. While MIUI is one of the most popular launchers with great support, it's been somewhat behind the competition when it comes to the latest Android adoption. MIUI 9 builds on V8 with multi-window support, quick replies for notifications, smart app launcher, smart assistants, and smart image search. Yes, there is a lot of smart with MIUI 9, and it's possible thanks to the new machine learning process. There are tons of improvements under the hood, too, such as better RAM management, faster performance, lighter on resources, and improved doze mode. The novelties aside, it's MIUI however you look at it. Every shortcut, plus widgets of your choosing, are dropped on the home screen. You get a dock menu for the most commonly used apps, of course. The notification drawer comes from the top and has the quick toggles, as usual. There is a quick card pane, the leftmost one. It's quite similar to today's page in iOS. It contains different cards with relevant information, recent apps, step counter, notes, calendar events, the weather, and favorites, among others. You can configure what shows up here, or you can disable this altogether. The app switcher feels like it came out of iOS. Apps are represented by appropriate thumbnails in the same manner, but there is an additional key for the split-screen mode. MIUI 9 adds native support for multitasking via the new split-screen feature. It allows you to launch two apps side by side. All native apps support it, and, luckily, all third-party apps with support for any kind of split-screen mode work flawlessly on MIUI 9 side-by-side view. MIUI V9 also offers a security app. It can scan your phone for malware, manage your blacklist, manage or restrict your data usage, configure battery behavior, and free up some RAM. It can also manage the permissions of your installed apps, and allows you to define the battery behavior of selected apps and applies restrictions only to the apps you choose. MIUI also offers proprietary gallery, music, and video player. If you are running on the Chinese ROM, then the music and video app will also allow access to local, paid, streaming services.